Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add your Shopify store to your Facebook page. So I'm going to try and keep this as short as possible because I don't want to waste your time. So let's just dive into this. Okay, so first of all, you want to sign in to your Shopify account, to your Shopify store, and then you want to take a look at your menu right here on the sidebar. And then you'll find sales channels right there. Next to it, you'll find the plus icon and you want to click on that. Now, basically what you can do now is add a sales channel. So in here, you should be able to find Facebook, which is right there. So it's Facebook, free to add, and you can actually bring your products to Facebook and Instagram users. So click on the plus icon right there. That's step number 1. They will then send you over here where you can choose to connect your Facebook account or sign up for Facebook. So if you don't have Facebook yet, make sure you go ahead and sign up. Or if you already have Facebook, click on connect. Now, if you're already signed in a different tab, which I recommend doing, you can automatically do this. If you click right there, you can click on continue and it will automatically do this. Okay, so I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to set this up. I'm just going to sign in here and then this should actually work. Okay, so soon you'll be able to manage Instagram and Facebook from one place, which is not possible yet. Okay, so I'm going to dismiss that. Once you've linked your Facebook, you want to make sure to connect your business manager. Okay, so connect right there. And there you go. So right now I've disconnected my business manager from Facebook to my Shopify store. You want to make sure to do that as well and then refresh the page and then you should be able to add your Facebook page as well. If you scroll down right there, you can then connect a page. So I just made this just for the sake of this video. Click on connect right there. Now once you do that, you might want to click right there on add page. So I'll do that right now. Add page to connect. And then once that works out, you've actually just connected your Shopify account, like store basically, to your Facebook page. Now you can then right there start the setup. So click right there and you can then get this going. So click on connect right there and you can then go ahead and set this up yourself. So first of all, you want to view the terms and accept them. Okay, so you need to do all of that right here and you can then set up your store. But that's basically how you can link your Shopify store to your Facebook page. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.